Hi Hadu, today we're going to draw a fish which is a shorputi in Bengali. Its name is Puntia sarana, the scientific name. Let's start the drawing from the left side. Alright, so we're going to draw a curved line, then a big fin at the bottom. We draw the fin like this and it's going towards the tail. Tail has a little curve, then curve comes like this. In the bottom, do like the opposite, then draw it like this. All right, for the mouth we're making this detail and becoming the line going towards that part. All right, another pin is here. Okay, little detail we can do. All right, after drawing the eye there are some details here. Usually this part is a breathing part. With this the fish takes breath, and a rack which is visible in the middle. All right, few scales you can see here. Now we're going to put the color. Let's put some shades on top with this pencil. All right, in the bottom this is going to be little ash colors, but let's make the top little most dark. Around the eye let's make it a darker one. The dark tone goes on to the back side of the fish. We can make the border outline little darker to define the inside space clearly. All right. So this outlining goes on for the whole body. We're just moving through the periphery of the outline and making the sides clearly separate, visibly different from the outside border. All right. All right, so the drawing is complete. Little more details you can do around the fin in the middle. You can see the outline or the this dotted line. This is the special characteristics of this fish. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. We have lots of drawings in our playlist. You can browse through the categories and select your own choices. Thank you so much. Have a good day.